Hi, I'm Jeremiah D'Amico, and I will be discussing how hardware and software technology in the recording industry allows us to hear and record sound through electric means. More specifically, I'll be talking about the different types of microphones and technology used to manipulate the digital information from them. A microphone is defined as an instrument capable of transforming sound waves into changes in electric currents or voltage, used in recording or transmitting sound. There are 5 main types of microphone used today. The first microphone I'll be talking about is the carbon microphone. It is the oldest style microphone, and it gets its technology from the first telephones. Inside the microphone there is carbon dust. Attached to the carbon dust is a thin metal or plastic diaphragm on one side. As sound waves hit the diaphragm, the carbon dust compresses, which changes its resistance. When running current through the carbon, the difference in resistance changes the amount of current that flows, and this changes the electrical signal output. The second mic is the dynamic microphone. Like the carbon microphone, this too is a diaphragm, but instead of compressing carbon, electromagnetic properties are used. For example, when a magnet is moved past a coiled wire, and vice versa, electric current is generated. Attached to the diaphragm is a coiled wire wrapped around a magnet. When sound waves hit the diaphragm, the attached coil moves past the magnet and creates current and/or electric signal. The third mic is a ribbon microphone. This mic uses similar electromagnetic technology, except instead of a coiled wire, a thin foil ribbon is suspended in a magnetic field. Sound waves force the ribbon to move. This creates a change in the magnetic field and in turn changes the current flowing through the ribbon. The fourth mic is the condenser microphone. The condenser is another way of saying capacitor, which means an electronic component which stores energy in the form of an electrostatic field. So really, they are capacitor microphones, but condenser just stuck. Inside the mics are 2 conductive plates with voltage stored between them. One of these plates also acts as the diaphragm. The other is named the backplate. The stored voltage comes from an external power or battery. When acoustic energy or sound waves hit the diaphragm, the distance between the 2 plates changes, and this changes the capacitance. The change in capacitance creates a change in current and gives you electric signal. The last mic is the crystal microphone. The technology behind these mics is based upon the electrical properties that certain crystals have. When they change shape or when subjected to pressure, small amounts of voltage is created. When sound waves move through the diaphragm that is attached to the crystal, the pressure upon the crystal changes and an electrical signal is created. To hear the output signal, the electrical energy must be converted back into acoustic energy. All that is needed to accomplish this is a speaker and a wire that connects the microphone to the speaker. But what if you want to manipulate the sound? Technology gives us a plethora of hardware and software to change, record, and play back the electrical information to the microphone. DigiDesign, the company that created Pro Tools, continues to stay on the forefront of recording technology. Pro Tools is a digital audio workstation platform, and in 2002 Pro Tools HD was released. This product integrates the hardware and software. The recording software Pro Tools HD is directly manipulated by the accompanying hardware. This hardware includes an analog to digital signal converter and PCI cards with their own digital signal processors. This allows for super fast data processing. And with the release of DigiDesign's Command 8, a mixing interface, what you do manually on the hardware happens in the software. For instance, when you move a fader on the Command 8, you can see it happening on the computer. Even though all this recording technology is amazing, it would be useless without one magnificent invention, the microphone. And now my works cited.